Everyone's saying the same thing right now. If you're not using AI in your business in 2025, you're going to fall behind. But here's the truth nobody's talking about. Even if you are using AI, you could still fail. Because it's not about whether you're using AI, it's about where you apply it, how you structure it, and what you're actually using it to do. That's the difference between staying busy and making money. Right now, most people are using AI completely wrong. They're automating low-value tasks that never touch revenue, building complex back-end systems that no one ever sees, and getting caught in tool hopping and never launching anything real. That's the gap, and it's also the opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're using AI right now to generate between $50,000 and $100,000 a week. No paid ads, no big team, no traditional agency delivery. Just powerful strategies you can actually use to make AI profitable starting now. Let me take you straight to the money. The first strategy is what I call speed kills. In today's market, whoever moves the fastest wins. AI gives you speed, but only if you know how to use it. We use AI to generate over 50 high-converting ad hooks in minutes. Entire email flows personalized to a specific niche, via sales scripts, landing page copy, even rapid-fire split testing angles that would normally take weeks to develop. We use tools like GPT-5 to generate and refine messaging, add creative AI to produce dozens of visual variations instantly, and type frames to create scroll-stopping video ads with zero editing. But here's the catch. AI doesn't fix your message, it multiplies it. If your offer is strong, AI gives you scale. But if it's unclear or untested, AI just spreads it faster. So don't use AI to avoid strategy, use it to amplify what's already working. That's the power of speed. Now, let's talk about strategy number 2. And this one's a silent killer in most businesses. I call it invisible fulfillment. See, most businesses don't fall apart at the top of funnel. They fall apart after the sale. They finally get clients and then delivery becomes chaos. More clients means more work, more stress, more team, and tighter margins. That's why we use AI to automate as much of the back end as possible. We've built fulfillment systems that handle onboarding, support questions, asset delivery, client updates, and even check-ins, all without human involvement. Platforms like Make.com and WhatsApp help us run these flows quietly in the background, so clients feel supported and so we're not stuck answering emails or jumping on unnecessary calls. This is how we've been able to run $100,000 weeks with a lean team and still maintain an excellent client experience. It's not flashy, but it's what keeps your margins clean and your time free. If you're still doing this manually, AI is your way out. All right, strategy number 3, and this is where things get interesting. This one's called activation agents, and this isn't about using AI inside your business anymore. This is about turning AI into the business. We don't sell software, we don't build chatbots, we deploy activation agents. AI systems that go into a client's existing business, plug directly into their database, and extract value. Think about it. Most businesses are sitting on thousands of leads. People who clicked an ad and opted in, maybe even booked a call but never bought. And those leads are just sitting there forgotten. We drop in a trained system of AI agents that reaches out via WhatsApp or SMS, opens a conversation, qualifies the lead, handles objections, and books appointments. All done automatically with no sales reps, no chasing, and no delay. We use platforms like Closebot, Synthflow, and Manus to install these agents. And in some cases, they're live in 24 hours. One of our clients, a clinic from Australia, pulled in over $50,000 in 7 days from a single activation agent campaign using just one team of agents. No ads, no leads, no team. That's the power of a well-deployed activation agent. And that's why businesses are paying $25,000 or more to have this one installed. But here's the key. It only works if it's systemized. If you're building from scratch every time, you kill your margins and lose the scale. If you want to build a real AI business, stop trying to look smart, start selling what actually produces revenue. That's what activation agents do. Now, we move on to strategy 4, the follow-up fortress. This is where most businesses bleed out. Follow-up. They run ads, generate leads, spend time and money driving interest, then they disappear. They reply too late, they miss calls, they drop the ball, and they lose the sale. We fixed that by installing an AI appointment setter that runs 24/7. This agent responds instantly, qualifies a lead, handles the objections, and books the call directly into the calendar, all within minutes of that first touch point. With tools like MyCRM Sim and ChatGPT, we've built automations that now handle handle 100% of the follow-up across multiple channels: text, WhatsApp, even Messenger. One campaign delivered over 37 booked clients in less than 3 days. And the best part, it works immediately. The second you plug it in, it starts generating appointments and revenue with no human bottleneck. But again, it only works if your offer is dialed, because AI doesn't fix poor positioning, it makes your process faster. Garbage in, garbage out. But when the offer is strong, this system becomes a machine. Now, finally, strategy 5, scaling without sinking. Here's what nobody tells you about. Internal operations are what destroy scale. You close more clients and suddenly you're buried in Slack messages, repeating instructions, building SOPs, managing team updates, and documenting every little thing. You end up becoming the bottleneck and the business starts to crack. We use AI to eliminate that. Fathom records and summarizes every meeting. Scribe turns our workflows into step-by-step SOPs. And then we use Notion AI to run internal updates, while ClickUp handles tasks like YouTube and different kind of assignments that we have in the company. It's like hiring 5 project managers who never sleep, never complain, and never forget what they're doing. And while this doesn't generate revenue directly, it protects the machine that does. It gives you time back, reduces errors, and makes onboarding new team members fast and clean. When you combine this with everything else I just shared, you don't just have a profitable business, you have a scalable one. So let's zoom out. AI isn't the opportunity. Everyone's using AI now. The real opportunity is knowing how to use it to build real revenue with AI leverage. That's what separates the ones who look smart from the ones who get paid. And if you want to build a business that uses AI the right way, not for vanity, not for buzzwords, but to create real, predictable cash flow, then this is your moment. We've just launched a waitlist where, if accepted, I will walk you through the full activation agent model as mentioned in strategy 3. You get the scripts, the campaigns, the tech stack, real case studies, and everything you need to launch a high-ticket AI business without a big team, without code, and without guessing. This isn't for dabblers, it's for builders, for people who want to leverage AI to make serious money. If that's you, join the waitlist below. I'll show you exactly how it works. And remember, the people who win in AI aren't the ones who waited.